Before diving into various aspects of the Metasploit framework, I think it's better to talk about some absolute basics when conducting a penetration test. Actually, this is not a pure penetration testing course. This course will show the capabilities of the Metasploit framework while you are doing a penetration test. So that means I'm going to summarize the phases and the steps of a penetration test. So this section will cover more theoretical information. So for you beginners out there, this is a great point to start. On the other side of things, for the one who has a basic understanding of the penetration testing, I guess you can skip over to other chapters. But I don't recommend this because this section completes the course properly. And what did I tell you before? I'm going to do things a little differently so you might get my unique take on it. I don't want to push you though, so do what you choose. So in this section, you're going to learn and understand what penetration testing is all about and where the Metasploit framework actually fits in, precisely. So in this short section, you have entered the world of penetration testing, and one basic question immediately comes to mind. What is it? I'm sure that your answers to this question will be close, but they're going to be slightly different. I obviously can't actually guess your answers, but I know your definitions won't be enough because there isn't an exact definition, right? All the books and all the courses expand the definition of penetration testing, and this effort, unfortunately, makes it harder to understand. So I've been doing penetration testing for years and years, too many to count, without some help. To me, penetration testing is simply to find and exploit the weaknesses in a computer system by predefined rules in a specific scope. Compared to a vulnerability assessment, on a penetration test, you not only discover the vulnerabilities that could be used by attackers, but also you need to exploit the vulnerabilities to assess what attackers might gain after a successful exploitation. So you will simulate an attacker as a penetration tester. Now by this, you're going to figure out security weaknesses, find vulnerabilities, and identify the security level of the systems. A little bit Mr. Robot style. The important point here is to exploit the identified vulnerabilities by concerning the consistency of the target system. So honestly, in a penetration test, you will focus on how to improve the security of your target from an attacker's perspective. Oh, and by the way, I implicitly explain why I choose the Metasploit framework.